guys, it's Courtney and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be 3 looks using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette. One of them being this look. I do have I guess this would kind of be considered daytime. I do have like a daytime, like a medium look, and then I did like a dark, deep, sultry look. Get it? See what I did there? I did want to make it a point that every time I do a review on an eyeshadow palette specifically, I want to make sure I give you guys some options or some ideas on how to use the palette. So I think going forward, that's sort of going to be the formula. Like, I do a review as well as some looks for you guys. So yeah, if you are interested in this look as well as the other looks that I created, then please keep watching. Starting out with my brows done and lids primed, I'm going to go into the color Twig. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that into my crease. You can use swiping motions or tiny circles, either one works. I'm going to build that to a light, visible wash of color. Next, we're using the color Burnt to soften out those edges of the first color we put down. Now we're going in with the color Cyborg on our finger and tapping that onto the lid. This look is going to be a light, everyday look, but you can definitely build these colors up to create a more intense eye look. Going back into the color Twig, I'm going to blend the edges of that shimmer shade as well as reinforce that light gray color. I'm also going to take that color Steampunk on my finger and add that to the middle and to the outer corner of the lid. To deepen, I'm going to go in with Dystopian and lightly blend the outer corner of the lid, moving slowly into the crease. Going in with a black liquid liner, this one's from Smashbox. I'm going to create a slight wing. You can definitely be more dramatic with it if you'd like. That's always an option. After beating the rest of my face, I'm going to take the black pencil, this one is from Japanesque, and line my waterline. Then I'm going back into the color Twig with the pencil brush and blending out my lower lash line. Then with a thin fluffy brush, I'm taking Dystopian and connecting the bottom lash line with the top outer corner. Then blending everything together. Going back in with Cyborg, I'm going to place that in the inner corner as a continuation of our lid color. Then I'm going to use Steampunk just to brighten. Add lashes and mascara. And there you have it. Our next look is fairly simple. I'm going to take the color Bloom and with a fluffy brush, I'm going to sweep that on the upper bridge of my nose, as well as slightly under my brow, almost like I'm contouring with this color. I'm going to continue to build this color while blending out the edges sort of into my skin. So I'm basically softening the edges into like nothing. Taking the color Steampunk, I'm going to place that on my lid with my finger. And with a small fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edge of that color. Next, I'm taking the color Ember, and with the same skinny brush, I'm going to blend out my bottom lash line. I'm going to place a brown liner in my waterline, as well as tight line my top lash line. Then with a pencil brush, I'm going to lightly smudge out the brow pencil we just laid. I'm going in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara, and if you want, you can stop here for a natural look, or for drama, you can take a highlighter. This one is the ABH Sultry highlighter, and pop that in your inner corner. Of course, you add lashes, and here we are. For the final look, we're going to take the color Bloom as our transition shade in the crease, and we're going to build that color up as well as blend her out around the edges. We're also going to blow that color out above the crease a little bit in order to add a little bit of drama. I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Cream Shadow in Shady and pack that on my lids, making sure to smudge out all of the edges so that it's easier to blend later. Then I'm going to take the color Noir on a flat or a shader brush and pack that on top of the black base we just put down. Then of course we will blend out those edges lightly. I still want it to almost look like we cut the crease with the black. By the way, if you guys notice, I'm not getting a ton of fallout, mainly because I tap off a lot of the excess and carefully build the color. On a pencil brush, I'm taking the black color Noir and running that on my lower lash line. By the way, I'm not going all the way into my inner corner. I'm actually stopping about mid-eye. Now I'm going to take that Bloom color and blend out the edges of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer and squeeze that onto the back of my hand. And taking a small flat brush, I'm going to place that glitter glue on the empty part of my bottom lash line and the inner corner. I'm going to take the color Rose Quartz and pack that on top of that. After that, we're going to use that Bloom color to blend out the rest of the bottom lash line and add a little pearl to the inner corner for a highlight. Just to be a little extra, I'm going to take what's left of the glitter glue on my hand and pack that on the center of my lid. I'm going to use my finger to go into the color Rose Quartz and put that on top of the glitter glue. To finish off the look, I'm taking a black liner to my waterline, just where the black shadow is. And I'm also going to go ahead and tight line the top lash line. For this look, I use the Kim Tai Lion Hearted Lashes, and there's your final sultry look. Alright guys, that about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!